Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clear Cyber Showdown. First, place your Royal Champion just above the 2 elixir storages at the top, aiming for the monolith defense. Let her throw 2 rocket spears, then immediately use an ice block spell to keep her in position. As she moves towards the Town Hall, cast Invisibility twice. After she hits the Town Hall, recall her before she moves too far. Next, deploy 1 Ice Golem near the multi-target Inferno Tower to draw out the enemy Clan Castle troops. Once the Clan Castle troops are lured, place an Electro Titan near the 2 pink walls by the elixir storage to eliminate them. This is crucial for your main push. Now, shift your focus to the bottom side of the base. Begin by casting an Overgrowth spell over the Fire Spitter compartment. Then, send in your 3 Ice Golems, followed by the Log Launcher, your Queen, Warden, and Minion Prince. Immediately after, deploy your healers, Super Valkyries, the Apprentice Warden, and the Druid to support the main attack. As your main army advances, reapply an Overgrowth spell on the Fire Spitter area to keep those defenses suppressed. Next, strategically use a Skeleton spell near the Multi-Gear Tower to create a valuable distraction. Once the Invisibility Tower counts down, deploy your Royal Champion and all 5 Headhunters to the left side of your main push. Be ready to activate your Grand Warden's Eternal Tome ability when your troops are pushing through the base's core, protecting them from heavy damage. For the final push, try to save your hero abilities, particularly the Minion Prince's Metal Pants, for the very end. Deploy 2 archers on the top side for any remaining cleanup. You can also drop 2 sneaky goblins near the bottom gold storages to quickly grab those resources. If your Archer Queen begins to take heavy damage, activate her ability to keep her safe and ensure she continues to clear the remaining structures. This coordinated effort will help you achieve a decisive 3-star victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.